How's it going, guys? Today I just got back from the Fort Worth Impressions Expo and I picked myself up a new tool. So I'm going to be unboxing it and I'm going to take you guys with me. Stay tuned. Like I said, I'm going to take you guys through unboxing this. I don't know what all comes in here. All I know is that I have now the Stahl's Hotronix IQ. This is their hat press. This is their kind of top line there. I do have their older one. So the biggest difference between the older one that I currently have and this newer IQ is going to be that bottom silicone platen, which is going to help with not getting creases on hats when I am pressing them. Additionally, it does have a heated bottom platen, which is going to be real nice for thicker patches, as it's going to allow more direct heat to the adhesive side. If the patch is too thick, the top heat isn't going to necessarily go all the way through. So I'm super excited about that. That's kind of the whole introduction. I'm going to kind of get you guys, I don't know, you can mostly see all of it, but if there's anything in particular, I'll pull you guys off the tripod and get you guys up close. For the most part, I'm just opening the box here for now. And immediately we have stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab you guys off the tripod and show you what we have. All right, so all I've done is cut this open. So this is kind of what you can expect when you get it. It looks like I was gonna say CD. This feels like it's gonna be a couple sample patches that you can press on. I'll put that on the side here. And then we have a testing inspection report, which is real nice. And then also underneath that, the manual, which I will flip through. It seems fairly small, fairly straightforward. I'm sure it's going to go over the different settings that I will need to know. So also put that on the side. And what we have here is the foam pads. The Stahl's team did mention this comes with it. I was going to order it separately. I actually did order an additional set because over time, I don't know how long these might wear out. So it's something I want to keep an extra set on. These have 3 different sizes. It's kind of nice to have either under the hat or above the hat. And I've seen a few people do a couple tricks with these to get better prints or to print in certain areas that you might not be able to print because of sensitive material or something that might melt. So good to have a set of these, and I will have another set coming in maybe about a week whenever they do end up shipping it out. And then let's see, I got some foam here. I don't know. Oh yeah, I can get it with one hand. Okay. And here we go. Here is the hat press. Okay, that's just to hold. It looks like the handle down. And it looks like I should be able to just pull this out. So I'm gonna get you guys set back up over here and get this yoinked out. Okay, let's see how we can do this. These need to come out. There we go. Ugh. And then last thing we have in the box is the cord. So there we have it. This is pretty much what you get, plus all the stuff that I pulled out, but let me get this bolt off. There's a warning sticker on, so I peeled it before I read it. Lift with 2 people if possible. Place on a sturdy level stand. Not the best. I'm going to move it over where the other one is, but for now, I just need a little bit of space. Put by outlet, use extension cord, yada yada. Lift handle up before turning on, and read manual. And I don't know if you guys know, these presses have Wi-Fi, and you're probably thinking that's kind of dumb. Why does the heat press need Wi-Fi? I don't really use the setting, but from my understanding is you can connect these to Wi-Fi through Stahl's website or through their service or cloud, however that works, and essentially track your job. So how much time do you spend pressing? How long are you pressing? You know, how many presses does it take? I don't know. You can just track all those things. I don't, I'm not big enough or care enough to use the Wi-Fi setting, but it is something that's kind of cool, I suppose. This is pretty much the end of this video. It's not super in depth. If you do have any questions on the particulars, I'm sure there's better videos about using this machine, especially from Stahl's. Their video collection is fantastic, but the next time you guys see this in a video is probably either behind, because I do keep my heat presses together, behind my t-shirt heat press, or alternatively, if I'm doing some hats. And I'll probably be doing a lot more hats, and I'll do more videos on those for you guys. But till then, let me know if you guys have any questions. I hope you guys learned something, maybe found it entertaining. I know it's just a simple unboxing, but either way, I hope you guys have a great day. Take care.